Good morning, thanks for your company. Well, the Aussie share market is eyeing another solid day of trading, with the futures suggesting a 0.3% or 21-point rise on the back of solid economic data from China, plus stronger leads from US markets. Yesterday, the ASX had its best day in 7 months, with a $33 billion surge after we saw the ASX 200 rise 1.6% or 110 points before closing at 6,849.7 points. Overnight, US equities surged again to fresh record highs, with the blue chip index rising 129 points, the top 500 or the S&P 500 rising 0.8, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq rising the most, over 1%, while the mining New York listed BHP rose over 2%. In Europe, we saw the Stoxx 600 hit a record high, clocking up 1.4%. London's FTSE rose 2.3%. The French index rose 1.2%, and the German DAX rose 0.9%. Over in Asia, the most movement was seen on the Shanghai Comp, which clocked up 0.6% after Chinese industrial production rose more than expected, rising 6.2% in November. That's on a year-on-year basis, and that will and truly beat expectations, while Chinese retail sales surged 8% last month. Yesterday, we saw Australia play catch-up, joining the US in the Santa rally and in record high territory too. We saw a lot of institutional buying taking place locally after we had those two massive waves of good news at the weekend, with the China-US trade deal phase 1 finally being ticked off, plus Boris Johnson's party won the election and will steer the UK out of the European Union by the close of January next year. On the sector front, yesterday we saw utilities climb up the most, rising over 3%. APA Group shares surged 54 cents after they announced they increased their interim distribution to 21.5 cents. And on the leaderboard, we saw Virgin Money, a standout, rising 8.5% to a year high to $4.10, and that's about a fair value price according to Morningstar. Meantime, Saracen Minerals surged 7.5%, wiping out their loss of last week after two directors increased their holdings in the gold mining company, and wax stocks like Appen, Altium and Xero made solid gains yesterday after the ASX announced plans to launch Australia's first tech index, and tech stocks are likely to rally again today. That's if you go by what happened on Wall Street with their tech rally. What else to watch today? Where the RBA releases their December board meeting minutes. Home loan data is out for October, and over the sea in New Zealand, ANZ business confidence is out for December. To commodities and the dollar, gold is steady at $1,479 an ounce. The oil price is holding near 3-month highs at $60.22 a barrel. The iron ore price last traded at $92.04, while the Australian dollar is holding near 5-month highs, 68.83 US cents. Have a great day. Happy trading.